Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sanjulu Kumar. Today I am going to show you in this video a brand new app that will pay $12 for absolutely free, and you can withdraw money in this app via PayPal, Pay, Gcash, Dana and TRX. Okay friends, before going to the video, click on the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon. Then you can see a notification as soon as we upload a video. Now let's go to the video. Okay, now when you click on the link in the description, you will come to a place like this. Now click on the download now button, then you go to Play Store to download this app. Now download the app. This app name is Virus Shooter. First we need to open the app. Let's go inside after agreeing to their privacy policy. First, let me briefly explain what I have to do. You can see that there is this virus. There is a number written inside it. Until it becomes 0, we have to shoot this virus. Okay, let's do this later. First, log into the app. Click here and log in with your Google account. Okay, let's play the game a bit and see how this happens. After I complete the first level, we get 200 coins and some things that we need to continue playing the game. Okay, I will play other level like this and see what we get. As you can see, this time I have to watch an ad to get coins. It's okay. Let's open the box and see. I got 100 coins and diamonds and more this time. Okay, let's play with other levels and talk about other things. Next, lucky draw. You can earn coins and other things by spinning this wheel. You can spin 15 times a day and you have to watch an ad every time. Okay, now let's see how you can collect money in this app. The coins you collect after playing the game will be automatically added to this site. You only have to play this game and collect the coins. Next, invite friends. Other way to earn coins from this app is to invite friends. If someone joins in this app through your link, you will get a commission of 30% of the earning coins earning. Next, withdraw. You can get the money you earn from this app to PayPal, Pay, Dana, Gcash and TRX accounts. You can get one. You can get 10,000 coins. You have withdraw $0.55 and You have 1,50,000 coins. You have withdraw $12 in PayPal and in other methods too. This will change little by little. Okay, so that's all there is to say about this app. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And with the hope of seeing you in other video, I say goodbye for today. Have a nice day, all of them.